we will focus on the second area of service, crack repairs. Notice the seams, the holes, the divots that are highlighted here. We can repair those too, or any other major damage to your counter. Maybe your tops have a few cracks or they have been damaged. You don't need to throw them away or replace them with a brand new one. As you can see here, Corian is very renewable, and we can repair any cracks, holes, divots, seam lines, any damages. We have more than 20 years of experience in repairing and restoring Corian counters. If there are any defects or damages to your existing Corian counter, we can repair them and make the tops look as though they never had an issue.